I don't think it's a choice. If you're a part of this community, it's our obligation to give back and support the community. That's just what you do. You support the people that support you. You've been to 1,000 of the same type events. I think this community needed something different at the time. It's just got an energy to it. It's fun to be there. You feel energized. We were drawn to a little bit of the uniqueness.
I think it's so fun. I love seeing all the different artists that are showcased. There's also like pottery, ceramics. There's all different price points, which is great. There's people buying stuff for their home. The artist is actually going to be there. Maybe there's a story behind a piece.
It's like a bottle of wine. You can have a glass of wine and be like, yeah, that tastes great. But if you're sitting there with the winemaker and before you taste it and they explain all that went into to produce that bottle of wine, you're like, oh, this does real good. That's kind of, to me, art-wise, when you hear the story of the art and you get a chance to talk to who actually produced it, it makes all the difference in the world. Maybe some of these people haven't never attended an event like this. I think that's something you will experience here that will get you excited about art if you've never even bought a piece of art. You'll probably walk out of there with a piece of art. There's not a lot of events in this town, in our community, that attract this many people in different capacities like this event does. They're engaged. They're excited to be there, and that's a place you want to be. And if you spend money, it all goes to the greater cause of what this is serving anyway, so that's a good thing. So please come down, buy some art, look at some cars, have some wine and cheese, enjoy the festivities, and we look forward to seeing you there.